Hop into the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a powerful, refined MKZ that has everything you need to make your daily drive feel exceptionally comfortable and secure. From its refined cabin to its premium audio system to its driver assist technology, this four-door sedan infuses every journey with confidence and style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, keyless start, active suspension, power passenger seat, satellite radio, remote engine start, power driver seat, steering wheel audio controls. Feel relaxed and ready for whatever the journey has in store when you're behind the wheel of this stunning MKZ. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.